What is going on, everybody? Welcome back once again. This is going to be the second video that I do on the Strat and how I traded SPY today using the Strat. So, again, just going to dive right into this. Over the weekend, there was a lot of news, lots of bearish news, new variants, and so naturally, everybody's bearish, and I expected a sell-off in the morning. Uh, I did expect some type of a pump and then, a rejection, and I was going to ride that rejection down, but didn't go as planned, and we actually just started dumping right away, right off open. So I actually mixed two different strategies that I have. I use VWAP a lot on SPY. It's a pretty big indicator. It can be used for support and resistance, smaller time frames, bigger time frames. Pretty much goes for any ticker, but SPY seems to respect it a lot. It's typically like used as a big magnet. You see VWAP projections all the time, bounces off of VWAP, and they're very prominent in SPY, so you can easily take a VWAP projection or a bounce. And so that's what happened today, right off open. Live trading, I called SPY puts. I think right around here. This is a 15-minute candle using 10-minute. I think it was like right around this area right here that I called SPY puts. We rode the entire thing down. I think they went 150, 200%. And my exit candle, again, this is how you identify the seller exhaustion, buyer aggression, reversal of a trend. This is just super easy, right? So you ride the entire trend down, and then you see the candle that makes a higher low. When that candle makes the higher low, you already know that we are setting up for a 2-2 reversal, right? So 2-2 reversal means you play the break of the previous candle, targeting the high of the one before that. That's what this candle would be, right? Took out that target. So once that 2-2 bull reversal is complete, you know that that's the change in your trend, right? So we see the little push up, and then again, we make a lower low. So we're making higher lows. We make a lower low and a lower high, right? This 2 candle did not break the high, broke the low. So that's another signal of a change in trend once again. You could easily exit your longs right here that you took off the break of this candle. And the reversal didn't complete, right? That's very important to notice. So the reversal would be complete if this candle hit that one, right? This would be the 2-2 bear reversal right here. This candle should have taken out this and then hit that price target, but we couldn't. So you see that there's still buyers present, right? There's a lot of buyers present. They did not let this candle go down or even the next 4 candles. We went nowhere near this price target. We were, like a quarter of the way through and rejected. So looking at this on a smaller time frame, you could have gotten pretty fake. You could have gotten faked out very easily, because I did multiple times in this zone, but I wasn't looking at this the 15-minute. In hindsight, I definitely should have looked at the 15-minute. But here we see a little bit of chop. Obviously, the bear reversal couldn't be completed, and there obviously isn't really a bullish trend here. So we're just chopping through. These are also lunch hours, so not much going on. And right here, you see the change in your trend. We make a higher low. Okay, this wouldn't be a 2-2 reversal or anything. This is a 3 candle, but we make a higher low and a higher high, change in trend. And let's say you missed this candle. This next 15 one opens up a inside candle. You can easily play the break of this. So you play the break of that 15. Since all of these are too close, what I would do is play the break of this, targeting the next high, which is that candle there. And as you can see, that does get taken out the next 2 candles over. But that's how you identify the change in that trend, right? Higher high, or higher high and higher low. And then we continue upwards. No sign in this entire trend that tells you to sell, right? Let's say you bought at this candle. Your stop loss is the wick below, right? That's the low of this candle. And none of these candles went and hit their lows. And boom, right here. We have a big resistance. This is the 50% of the monthly candle. We have a shooter, and we make a lower high for the next one. Okay, this would now be a 2-2 reversal. It's a bearish 2-2 reversal, and the reversal completes. So we see continuation through the next candle here, and then the 15 opens up an inside candle. And guess what? Higher low. Okay, higher low inside, probably a pretty good indicator that we're going to see another change of trend. And guess what we do? And again, same thing with this one. You could have played the break of the inside, right? I mean, this move from here, 462 to almost 464, that's probably close to, like 45-50% on an options contract. And then again, no signal for you to sell through this entire move. So, I mean, this move right here from this entry would have been 100%, right? So that's how you could have played SPY today using the strat. No indicators. Again, literally all of my charts look like this. They're all blank, no indicators. All I have is a strat. Price action really is all you need. Price action's king. So other than that, that's episode 2. That's today's recap as well. SPY is pretty much the only thing I played today. So next episode, I'll start to go a little bit more into depth and finding more live setups for you guys to use as examples.